Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make Reubens. Just a quick, simple, easy 10-minute supper. Alright, what we're going to need is some sauerkraut, we're going to need some corned beef, we're going to need some rye bread, and some provolone. Okay, I've moved everything off my cutting board so that I can build these sandwiches where you can see me. So we're going to put 2 pieces of cheese on each bread because we want the cheese to melt, so that should be on the bottom. And then they really cut this thin for me. They really cut it thin for me. And we're just going to kind of make funny shapes with it and drop it on there. I'm trying not to be just do it like that. It's just a sandwich. Alright, and then we're going to put butter top side out. Oh, whoa, 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 what are you doing, Tammy? Okay, we have our cheese and our meat. And now we're going to put our sauerkraut, which I have drained. Our sauerkraut is drained. Layer that, a good nice fat layer of sauerkraut. There we go. We're going to put our Thousand Island dressing on here. I'm just going to kind of give it a good coat. Oops. Now we're going to put the bread on the top. And then we're going to come over here to the stove and we're going to get this pan hot. Okay, I'm going to start with a medium-high flame and get this pan hot and then see how we do. Now, I may or may not turn it down, but I'm going to try to cook both these sandwiches at one time because I'm hungry. Okay, my pan's good and hot, and I'm going to set my sandwiches on here. And I'm hoping I can do this. We'll find out. If not, I'll have to take one off and just cook them one at a time, but I think I can do it. Alright guys, while those are cooking, or while I got them grilling up here on the stove, 10 minutes. If you have all your ingredients and you set them out like this and you just put those sandwiches together, get them on the stove, dinner is ready in 10 minutes. You know, if you have somebody in your house that doesn't like sauerkraut or you don't know that they'll eat sauerkraut, just do the corned beef and cheese. I don't know anybody who wouldn't eat just corned beef and cheese. You know, the Thousand Island just gives it a little extra kick. It's, you know, if you don't like rye bread, use the kind of bread you like. You know, it's all about making do with what you got and what you like. But it's a really, really simple, easy dinner. You know, if you only buy a half a pound of that corned beef, then you're getting away with $7.50. Yeah, that one kind of floored me. I was going to get a whole pound, but I just couldn't make myself do it. I just couldn't do it. But anyway, let's go over here and check these Reubens out on the stove. Okay, I'm going to try to flip. Oh, my cheese is melting. Look at that. Oh, it's not quite brown as I'd like, but it is doing fine. It is? Yeah, I'll probably flip it again. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh no, that one's great. I don't know why. Yeah. That is great. Oh, oh, oh. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I know y'all think I'm weird being so excited about a Reuben sandwich, but it's probably been a year or more since we had a Reuben. Y'all just do not know how excited I am about these sandwiches, all right? It's probably been a year since we've had a Reuben, and we really, really do enjoy them. So I'm going to be in heaven. I'm going to flip that one again because that bread wasn't quite. Oh, look at that. That provolone. Pulling itself. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm not going to flip that one because that one's right. I don't know why this side didn't. What? That's not going to hurt anything? Randy moved my frying pan. He said that's why it wasn't browning like it should. And he's probably right, because it's soft up here, but it's nice and crunchy down here. But that's okay, because these sandwiches are done. And we're about to eat. I'm fixing to plate these up. Oh, you guys, look at that provolone. Oh. Oh. Cannot wait. All right. I'll set this over here so we can cut it. And we are going to grab this knife. Oh, look, look, look. Oh, oh, look at that melted cheese. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. I am totally excited. Do you see that cheese, that provolone just sliding across? Ah, oh, so good. All right, look at that. Look at that. Look how thick. Oh, cannot wait. All right, guys, it's time to eat. If you guys found anything valuable, come back and see me. I'm sure I'll be cooking something you'll like later. Like, subscribe, share. Thank y'all.